Hey, good afternoon. This is Ryan with Five Knots Digital Marketing. As I said, Jaylene, I wanted to shoot this video over to you guys, give you some tips and some tricks on how we can boost your online presence and how we can get you guys ranked a little higher on Google. Even though you're doing pretty well right now, there's still some room for improvement. And first three things we're going to jump into to talk about is your content on your site, your citations, and your backlinks. So without further ado, I got your site pulled up here, and I really love your logo. I love how bold it is. I just think it's a really good look. Um, and as far as the content goes, Google wants to see about 2,000 words and pictures of content on your home page. So that's going to include, all your descriptions, what exactly you guys do, what's your the fencing that you guys install. It also could include Google reviews or any other reviews that you have to post. That's all going to be included in your content. So I would definitely beef up the content on the page, throw in some more keywords and some more key phrases that people are using to search for fence companies or anything related to your business, fence repair, fence installation, wood fence, PVC fence, fence railing, anything that is going to be associated with your company. Those are the keywords that you want to stand out on this home page. Add in some Google reviews and make sure that, again, I mentioned that the photographs can be counted as content as well. So you want to make sure that these photos are also saved appropriately. You can actually add keywords and key phrases in on your content. If you look right here, you can see that it's saved under image 0409. But if those are saved correctly, you can add in some more keywords. That's kind of a little tip from the pros and SEO guys, but it definitely helps to boost the notoriety. Now, I compared you guys to Adams and Rubin, who's beating you guys out on the map pack right now. And to be honest, I like the look of your site better. I think it's just more bold and user friendly. But what they do have is a lot more content. They have, their contact us pages. They have their map, their geolocations. They have a little bigger photo gallery. So all those things are going to be factors into what Google's ranking their site and getting them the credit for the content because Google wants to see that you guys are the authority in the space. They want to see that you guys offer every type of fencing service, that you guys are the go-to place in Vero Beach to go for fences. So with that being said, I mentioned the map pack earlier, and you guys are doing well. I mean, yeah, there's a sponsored ad that's beaten out up here, but that's kind of expected. And then you got you guys in number two position for fences for fence companies in Vero Beach. You're doing well in number two. Like I said, Adams has beaten you guys out, and I'll get into a little bit of why that is. And part of that reason is your citations, which we'll go into. Um, your Google business page looks pretty good. I like the fact that you guys got all these reviews and so even though you guys have the more reviews and a higher rating than what Adams is doing, this is where those citations come into play big time. And that citation is just a matter of how your business is listed in directories across the internet. So that could be Yelp, it could be Yellow Pages, it can be Angie's List, Facebook, anywhere that your company's listed. And that listing just includes your company name, um, your phone number and your address, how it's listed across the internet. So I went ahead and plugged you guys into one of my paid tools. As you can see, I got Adams here underneath you guys and Fence Pros of the Treasure Coast. So this tool shows me how many citations you guys have and how many citations your competitors have. And right now, you guys are at 21 citations. Adams is at 30. So the beauty of this tool is that we can click right in here in Adams. Now, some of these are blurred out for just privacy policy reasons, but this just shows you that, yeah, they have 30 citations, but that's a very attainable number for you guys. And this tool helps me out because it's just a matter of going in and I can see these other citations they have, but it's just a matter of going in and requesting that we get you guys listed on these directories. And so not only do we want to get 30 citations, we want to beat them out. We want to get 40. We want to get 50. We want to get more citations than your competitor to beat you guys out. And that's what's going to give you the ranking power on the Google Map Pack section. And when you're in these top three spots, I'm sure you're well aware, but that's what's going to get 96% of the clicks of the people that are trying to get the estimates of everybody that's actually wanting your services. 96% of those people are going to click on one of these top three spaces. So That's what's ultimately going to lead to the high conversion rate where you guys are placed. It's going to give you guys the leads. It's going to give you guys the know-how. So the next and last thing we're going to discuss is your backlinks. And this is another paid tool that I have called Ahrefs. Um, it's not 100% accurate. Google Analytics is another program that does a really good job, but this is a paid tool that I utilize, and it's a really good baseline. It's a good starting point to see where you guys are at. So as you can see, I typed in Fence Pros up here. This is your company URL, and it gives me all this information. It gives me your backlinks, the referring domains, your organic keywords, and your average traffic. So right now, this is telling me that on average, about 5 people are visiting your site per month. So the backlink is kind of think of it like a popularity contest. So site A is pointing to site B and it's giving site B the credit and the power through in Google's eyes. So you guys would be site B. These backlinks are site A pointing to you guys. So comparing you guys back to Adams again, um, they actually again don't have much more than you. They only have 18 backlinks and they do have more keywords, but look at the amount of traffic that they're getting to their site because of these backlinks mainly. That's driving 53 people on average to their site a month. So, almost 50, let's say 48 more than what you guys are getting right now per month on your site. And the thing about these backlinks is it's not always just, oh, if you got a million backlinks, you're going to beat everybody out. The thing is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want authoritative backlinks. So you guys are a fence company. You wouldn't want backlinks from like, a dog food supply company or anything like that. You want authoritative backlinks from companies, other fencing companies, from fence fence material supply companies, from anything like that that's going to really give you the notoriety. And that's what's going to help really, really to set you guys apart, to give you the power through these backlinks that's going to push you guys over the top and get you to that number one spot in the Google Map pack that again ultimately is going to lead for more leads. You and I both know that right now the fencing market is incredibly competitive with all the new construction and all the new building. So it's important to get to that top spot to really try to get as many leads and as many clients as you possibly can to continue to help grow the business. And to recap, uh, main topics are your content on your homepage. We could beef that up, get some more keywords, key phrases, things that's gonna give you the notoriety through Google. Add a few more photographs, get some testimonials in here. Since you have a ton of reviews on Google right now, you might as well utilize them and throw them on your website. That's going to not only give you the content, but that's also going to build trust with the customer when they do go to your website to see, okay, we can trust these guys. Look at these great reviews. And then your second thing is again your citations. We don't only want to get to 30, which is what your competitor has. We want to get you from 21 up to like 40 so that we're beating out not only this competitor, but any other competitors that are even close to that. And then again, it's the same thing for your backlinks. We want to beef up your backlinks and go from the 4 that you guys have right now to well over 18 so we can beat out Adam's fence. Um, I appreciate you guys taking the time to look at this video. I know you're super busy. I just would appreciate some feedback on your thoughts if there's anything that jumped out to you at all. All my contact information will be uh, in my email signature on the email when I send this video over to you guys. So again, thank you for your time. I look forward to hearing from you guys and hope you have a good day and a safe weekend. Thanks.